I speak to hundreds, if not thousands, of law firms every year about innovation. As such, it was a great honor to be a judge this year in the law firm category of the American Legal Technology Awards. Hi, I'm Gabriela Cabero, CEO and co-founder of CaseBeer, smarter practice management software for personal injury law firms. I love the idea of encouraging innovation at the core of the firm, the heart of operations. And we're seeing a lot of firms nationwide redefining what success means and redefining a new normal.
In the legal profession, many groups are being honored here, from legal tech companies, startups, courts, and many more. But without the lawyers and law firms, the boots on the ground, pushing things forward by leveraging technology, the profession really would not be able to innovate. Hi, I'm Mark Homer. With GNGF, or Get Noticed, Get Found, we're a sponsor of the 2021 American Legal Technology Awards. I am proud to announce that the 2021 winner of the law firm category is Fisher Phillips.
Well, let me say that on behalf of the American Legal Technology Awards, I'm happy, in fact, I'm thrilled to inform you that Fisher Phillips is the winner of the law firm category. So congratulations to you,
no way.
Jennifer Mendez and Evan Shankman. Congratulations.
Oh, that's fantastic.
This is awesome.
Thank you so much.
Virtual celebration to follow. I'm flabbergasted. It's like the highlight of my day.
So I'm Evan Shankman, the Chief Knowledge and Innovation Officer. I was a practicing attorney for the first half of my career. I was a labor and employment partner at a law firm. I've spent the past, 11 years now in the knowledge management space, helping attorneys do things more efficiently using technology, using better processes, procedures, data analytics, artificial intelligence, all the fun things that our firm is working on.
And I am Jennifer Mendez, Director of Knowledge Management Innovation. I've been at Fisher Phillips since March of 2020, which is an interesting time to join a new firm.
We've been for years preaching how valuable technology is, how valuable innovation is, and knowledge management. But everything sort of really came to the forefront when COVID-19 happened. And that's right when Jen joined the firm, was right as we were starting with the pandemic, and she was able to hit the ground running.
It was interesting. I do feel that we sort of had a little bit of an advantage over firms that hadn't necessarily transitioned to online, or that had actually rolled out laptops on a firm-wide basis. So the transition to remote, I think, was pretty smooth here at Fisher Phillips. And we were lucky that we had sort of the building blocks in place as COVID started. And then to be able to sort of introduce new technologies, people really embraced it because it was sort of already part of what the firm was trying to accomplish.
I really admire how Fisher Phillips was able to take on the pandemic. It was a very difficult time for a lot of firms. Some firms didn't make it. Some firms got absorbed. And the way that Fisher Phillips dedicated the free time they all of a sudden had with court closures to enhancing the technology stack that they used at their firm, to really rethinking the way that they are helping their clients and serving their clients and optimizing along the way, and even making these resources in some cases publicly available so not just their firm can benefit. I really admire that, and as did my other judges in the category.
I'm really excited to see that Fisher Phillips was recognized as the law firm category winner, because they've been doing some great things this past year. They're a labor and employment firm, but they took a lot of data. They've been working with artificial intelligence and data analytics and stuff for a while. So they used all of these tools and built this COVID-19 litigation tracker, which they didn't charge for, but they put out there free for everyone to take advantage of. Now, what was great is that the people that took advantage of it weren't just possible clients, but also nonprofit, COVID-19 task force, businesses trying to navigate just opening up, right? Higher education data science professors, they got kudos from everybody all over there. And in fact, I bet if you search for a COVID-19 litigation tracker, they're still showing up at the top because it got used so much this past year. Now, they didn't do this to go get new clients, but in true form of karma, and I think to show that good deeds can be rewarded, the firm actually added 25% more clients in the first half of 2020 versus the same time previously. So by using this data, putting it out there for free, they actually not only helped the community, but grew their law firm. So they've taken the lessons and utilized this with, again, the AI and data analytics and manual researchers and stuff. And they've now created trackers for wage and hour topics, class action topics, vaccine-related topics, and much, much more. So this is amazing to be able to use and leverage technology to, one, provide free resources to the community. But it was nice to see that it also helped Fisher Phillips grow their own firm.
We've been preaching a lot of this stuff for a long time. And oftentimes, it's a challenge to gain adoption or to introduce a new technology. There's just always so much going on. And what COVID allowed us to do is to focus on the technology that would really help our attorneys during this transition period, to streamline processes, to give them access to the information that they needed almost immediately. And so there were just a lot of sort of what we would refer to as basic knowledge management principles that were huge wins for us at the firm because of COVID.
Fisher Phillips launched a COVID-19 litigation tracker, and they built model documents, templates, samples, and forms for employers and others. They put this out there as a free resource, knowing that most people who use it would never become firm clients.
So without a doubt, there's been an explosion of legal tech, and I'm just thrilled to be at a firm that values that appreciates it, that's not afraid of it, and that sees how much it can benefit our clients and benefit our attorneys. It is a big paradigm shift in terms of the way lawyers practice. Lawyers used to practice by as many hours as you can bill that a client would pay for. That was better for the firm. That's not where we are anymore. That's not what we're doing anymore. And now they appreciate Jen and I coming in and saying, hey, we can do so many things that lawyers used to do. It used to take a lot of time. We could now do it faster. We can now do it at a higher quality. We could do it in minutes where it used to take hours. And that's a good thing for the profession. That's not a scary thing. It's a good thing. And our firm realizes that, and they're heavily investing in our department, our initiatives, knowing that it's better for our clients. And if it's better for our clients, it's better for us.